Welcome to English Inquiry into Language and Literature. Unit 2, News Reporter. Unit 2 is about analyzing a news report and creating your own news report. This is Session 1, Course Introduction Video. Let's enjoy studying this lesson. From Moist News Network and your English Inquiry teachers, do your best. Before we start, please ready your student booklet. Do you have your student booklet with you? Good. Now we can start. Let's look at the first page of the student booklet. You can see here the course title is News Reporter. The course duration is 6 sessions. In each session, there is a 90-minute lesson. Course dates, this is from this month, May to June. The inquiry focus is D. All the features or links to videos are provided in Monobox, so always check Monobox. As you can see here, Session 1, it's 90 minutes. In Session 1, there are 5 things that you need to do. Okay? Then after Session 1, there's Session 2, Session 3, Session 4, Session 5, and the last, Session 6. So this unit has 6 weeks. Today is Session 1, 90 minutes. There are 5 things that you need to do. Number 1, understand the course theme concept and watch the second grade EI Unit 2 course introduction video. Number 2, understand the rubrics and ATL skills and watch the second grade EI Unit 2 ATL skills and rubric video. Number 3, read and analyze MNN1 news article and watch the second grade EI Unit 2 MNN1 analysis video. Number 4, watch and analyze New School Lunch news report in second grade EI Unit 2 School Lunch news analysis video. And last, number 5, try writing first version of SOI. When you finish these 5 things, you have to put a check mark on the box. Now let's look for the check mark. Okay, there you go. So I have finished all these 5 things. I'm going to put a check mark on box number 1, also number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once you have put all the check marks on the box, your session 1 is finished. Now let's start with the course theme. The teacher's instruction says, read the course theme carefully and mark important points to understand it. So I'm going to use the blue highlighter to mark the important points. Now let's read. You are a producer for the Moist News Network, MNN. I think this word producer is important, and also the Moist News Network. Then you must create a segment for a news program. I don't know this word, so I'm going to underline it. The program's purpose is to inform the first graders about Moist school activities and school events. I see. So to inform the first graders is important also, and the Moist school activities and events. Then first, you will learn about news reports. I see. I'm going to learn about news reports, so this is important. Then you will analyze news report to find out its important parts. After learning, you have to analyze. I see. Okay. Last, you will make an audio visual Moist news report with PowerPoint narration and submit. I see. So make an audiovisual news report is important, but I'll check this word later. To make a news report, first you must decide any school activity or event that you know or have experienced last year. Okay, I'll choose a topic. Okay, I'll decide a school activity or event. I see. Then next, you will collect information and materials for your segment and organize them. Collect information and materials and organize them. These are important. And I don't know this, you have this segment again. And last, you will present your audiovisual news report in a slideshow with narration. So I'm going to present my news report. Again, you have here audiovisual. Okay, these words are difficult. If you do not have any PowerPoint software, you can prepare slides and narrations in paper format. I see. Okay, now I'm going to check the dictionary for the words that I don't know. Okay, the word segment means it's a part. So, a part of a news program. Audiovisual means audio is something that you can hear and visual is something that you can see. I see. So, something you can hear and you can see. So, these two words are very important in understanding the course theme. Okay, now I understand the course theme, but let me check that. Did you understand the course theme? Okay, the teacher's instruction says, let's check if you understand the course theme. Please answer these questions. Okay, were you able to answer the questions? So let's check. In question 1, what is your mission? Okay, for me, my answer is to make a segment for a news program. Okay, or it can also be to make an audio visual news report. Okay, question number 2. Who are you in this unit? I think I am a producer. Okay, question number 3. Who do you work for? I work for MNN, Moist News Network. And question number 4, who needs your service? So I think it's the first graders. Okay, I'm going to make a news report for the first graders. Okay, now I think I have understood the course theme. Now, let's talk about course concept. Okay, so in this course, you will analyze and study some news report, collect information, organize those information, and create your own news report. So first, key concept. The key concept for this course is perspective. What is perspective? Okay, as you can see here, we have an eye icon. Okay, so when you read or watch a news report, how do you feel? What do you think about it? Do you believe in it? Do you feel scared? So I think for me, perspective means how someone see or feel about something. So this is the meaning of perspective for me. Okay. Next, related concept. We have two: context and purpose. What is context? Okay, context. I think context has an image of a what, where, and when. Okay, so when you watch a news report, what was the news about? When did it happen? Where did it happen? So it means that it describes the news or the situation. Can be an event or an incident. Okay? Okay, how about purpose? Purpose. What is purpose? I think for me, purpose has an image of a goal or the reason why the news happened. Okay, so let's write it down. Purpose is the reason why something is done or something happened. Okay. Next, global context. Global context here is orientation in space and time. What is this? Global context talks about when and when the news report is valid or meaningful. Okay, is the news old? Is it the same as last year or in the old days? Is it going to be the same in the future? So, global context means, or it talks about where and when a news report is valid or meaningful. Okay, so we have the key concept, related concept, and the global context. Okay, next, let's talk about statement of inquiry. So it is something new. Okay, let's read here. In the end of this session, try composing an SOI according to your understanding here. Remember, SOI is not a question. It is a statement that ends with a period mark. It connects the key concept, related concept, and global context. Okay. So we will talk about this later in detail before the session 1 ends. Okay. So, but don't forget the key concept, related concept, and global context while you are studying session 1. So you have to connect all these trees to make your SOI. Okay? Did you understand the course theme and the course concept? If not, take your time. You will understand it as you go through the course. Please continue working on the student booklet.